Hello everyone, this is Mzungu Forensics and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to share a quick tutorial on how to crack a password from the Etsy shadow file on a Linux system using JohnTheRipper with the Yescrypt hash type. So in this video we're going to be going through the process on how to find the hash, what exactly is Yescrypt, and how to crack it using a word list using JohnTheRipper. This is pretty neat to know. You can use this in the CTFs. It's also very helpful for password recovery services, possibly even penetration testing, without going into any more yet. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're going to open up a terminal and we're going to go ahead and try to view the Etsy shadow file. So we're going to go ahead cat Etsy shadow and we get permission denied. So we're going to do sudo put in our password and boom, there is our username with the password. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to copy it if I can get my mouse to work. All right, so we're going to put this in a text file. So we'll do echo paste. Let's just call it hash.txt just to make it simple. All right, we'll do ls cat hash.text and great. Now we have it saved in a text file. So Yescrypt is pretty much just how it's just the hashing algorithm that Linux uses to store the user passwords. It's pretty secure, but we're going to use JohnTheRipper to crack the password. So all right, so using John-help, you can pretty much get a help menu to see how you can use it. So JohnTheRipper uses a Word file. Kali Linux comes with it pre-installed already. All the files and software is already preloaded. So we're going to use John hash.txt and we'll do format equal crypt. Enter. Error. What did I do wrong? Equals. So I actually already ran this before. So it already has the password saved. When you crack a password with JohnTheRipper, it stores it in a file and you could just call upon that file easily by just doing john-show and call the file, and there we go. There is our password, and that's it. So we successfully cracked a Yescrypt hash from the shadow file using JohnTheRipper. This is a quick and practical walkthrough, and if you're learning Linux forensics or red teaming, understanding how to password crack is essential. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, maybe subscribe if you want more walkthroughs like this. I'm Mzungu Forensics, and this is just the beginning. Catch you on the next one.